Welcome to Sydney Samayal. Wish you all a very happy new year, and this will be my first episode for 2021. I'm starting with a very basic one, which is called rasam, which is a South Indian dish used for rice only, or you can drink it as a soup. So this is done out of basic ingredients, fresh ingredients, rather than using a powder or sambar powder or rasam powder. I'm going to show you the ingredients now. For rasam, the basic core ingredient is the tamarind water. So I've already prepared the tamarind water with fresh tamarinds. The next one is dal. Dal will give a little bit of taste. So just a 2 tablespoons of boiled dal I have here. And then tomatoes. 1 tomato I've cut it into pieces. I'm going to use half of it to blend it with chili and other things which I'm going to show you. So the next item, the other core item is pepper. A teaspoon of pepper. I have a teaspoon of jeera and few fresh chilies because it's fresh rasam. And I have coriander, few cloves of garlic, tablespoon of oil, or you can use ghee, and then 2 red chilies and some curry leaves. I'm going to blend the pepper, jeera, fresh chilies, garlic, and half the coriander here. I will use it later on, the other half, and half tomatoes. And a couple of curry leaves. Now we are going to blend this in a mixie. So this is the consistency, it's blend. It's not very smooth or very cold. It's in between. So this is okay. I'm just using 1 tablespoon of oil, or we can have ghee. Ghee will taste much better. Now putting the 2 chilies in, the seeds, mustard seeds, and we can have a pinch of asafoetida, the curry leaves. Now I'm adding the paste which I have. You can add the tomato. Just adding the dal. Giving a good mix. You can add the tamarind, and because it will be so sour with tomato and tamarind, we can add water. You can make it based on the quantity of rasam you would like to make. And then half a teaspoon of turmeric. Most of the Indian cooking, we do have tamarind, turmeric and everything. And salt to taste. Good mix. And throw the coriander on the top. See how it looks beautiful. You can see the tomatoes, the green, red, the chilies, and see the consistency. This is very good when you have a cold. You can drink it like a soup because it's got pepper. It's good for you. And usually kids like to eat a little bit of rasam and dal, fresh dal with rice and ghee. See, now it's ready to be turned off. The bubbles are coming and still you have this like a froth on the top. Now I need to turn it off. And it's ready to be served. Now the rasam is ready. We can serve it like this. If you want to have it like a soup, not necessary you have to have it with rice. There you go. Let me try. Yeah, that's the exact taste. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please try it at home and let me know how you went in the comment box, and also please subscribe if you like this video. We'll see you soon in the next episode with a very simple dish again. Thank you. Bye for now.